Hi, in this video I'll show you how to make a beautiful back bow using sheer fabric like organza. No fusible interfacing is needed. We'll use a clever layering technique for structure, perfect for lightweight, elegant dresses. You need sheer fabric for the bow. I'm using organza. For the structure, use either stiff tulle or a second layer of organza. Other supplies: matching thread, metal or clear snaps, pins, clips, heat erasable pen, fabric scissor, small shears, and paper scissors. I'm using the Flower Girl Dress PDF pattern. It's linked below with a 70% off promo code. Print the pattern at 100% scale. Trim the edges and tape it together. Need help? Watch my tutorial on downloading and assembling PDF pattern. It's linked in the description. Cut both large and small bow pieces from organza and tulle. Cut the bow tie, bow tail, and waistband only from organza. For slippery fabric, I like to mark the stitching line first. Really helps. To add structure, layer stiff tulle under the bow pieces. Stitch them together at 0.5 cm or a quarter of an inch, same allowance, to keep them from shifting. Trim any uneven edges. A rotary cutter and a transparent ruler with a metal edge is a game changer. I'll link mine below. Give it a light press. Sewing the waistband. Fold the waistband in half lengthwise, right sides together. Sew the long edge, leaving a 5 cm or a 2-inch gap in the middle to turn it later. Trim the seam allowance. Zigzag scissors help reduce the fraying. Sew the short ends. Keep the seam centered at the back. Turn it right side out. Poke out the corners with a chopstick, then press. Close the gaps with a straight stitch. Repeat the same steps for the bow tie strip. Making the bow pieces. For the large bow, fold in half lengthwise, right sides together. Sew along the long edge, leaving 5 cm or 2 inches gap for turning. Press, keeping the seam centered at the back. Then sew the short sides. Trim, turn it right side out. Poke corners and press. Then close the gap. Repeat for the small bow. Fold the bow in half crosswise with the seam on the inside, sew the short ends together to form a loop. Fold it in half again, seams at the back. Pinch the center, form soft pleats, and hand stitch. Repeat for the smaller bow. Sew the tail. Fold the tail lengthwise, right sides together. Sew along the long edge and the angled end, leaving a 5 cm 2 inches gap. Trim, turn right side out, poke corners and press. pleat and hand stitch. Assemble the bow. Stack the small bow on top of the large one, then place them over the tail. Stitch them together. Wrap the bow tie strip around the center and secure it at the back. Attaching to the waistband. Hand stitch the bow onto the waistband about 2.5 cm or 1 inch from the end. Add snaps to each end of the waistband, about 1.2 cm or half an inch in from the edge. To keep the bow in place on the dress, match the waistband quarters to the dress side seams and center film. Start stitching the waistband from about 2.5 cm or 1 inch before the center back. Sew all the way around the waistline to the other side. Add a small stitch to the bow back right side and a snap to the left to make the zipper easy to open. If you like this, don't forget to check the pattern in the description and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!